These are my delicious cauliflower, sweet potato, chickpea, tikka wraps or tacos, topped with some amazing coconut chutney. Today I'm bringing you one of the recipes that just came about because I had to use up a bunch of veggies. So I made this marinade with ginger, garlic, spices, paprika to make kind of like a tikka marinade, and then bake the vegetables along with the chickpeas. We bake up into these delicious Indian spice vegetables that taste amazing. And for the sauce, we make this quick coconut chutney, which is just add everything to the blender and blend, and that's it. To make our tikka veggies, chop up some cauliflower, sweet potato, some red onion into thick slices. Then make the tikka marinade. You can also add in some nutritional yeast for cheesy flavor as well as to amp up the protein. If the mixture is too thick, add in a splash of water. Then add in all of the vegetables and the chickpeas and toss well to coat them really well. Spread these vegetables and chickpeas on a parchment lined baking sheet and even them out so that they are in a single layer. You want to use a baking sheet which will fit everything easily. Then put them to bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes or longer until the cauliflower and sweet potato are tender. While the vegetables are baking, we can make our coconut chutney. You want to blend the mixture for about a minute and let it sit for 5 minutes for the coconut to rehydrate, and then blend again for half a minute. The chutney is not going to be a creamy dip, it's going to have some texture. So once the coconut has broken down into much smaller shreds, then the chutney is ready. You can serve these vegetables and chickpeas topped with the coconut chutney in tacos, in wraps, or as a bowl with some cooked rice or quinoa, some crunch like chopped cucumber, onion, or lettuce, and topped with some hemp seeds and sesame seeds to add more protein. If you don't like the coconut chutney, you can make my mint cilantro chutney or just cilantro chutney or a mango chutney, or use any other sauce or chutney that you like. You can also change up the vegetables to whatever vegetables you have on hand, like zucchini, peppers, broccolini, fennel, or other root vegetables of choice. Just keep an eye on them while baking so that you don't overbake or underbake them. If you do try these wraps, do let me know in the comments how you like them. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Indian recipes, easy vegan meals, high protein meals, savory breakfast, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.